Hello guys, I am pre-recording this video for you to launch on Wednesday, my usual time, because I'll be enjoying myself in Raleigh, North Carolina at Stampin' Up's Onstage event. And I made these cute little gifts for my team members that are going, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make them today. All right, let's get pointed down. So when I saw this travel themed designer paper from the On The Go suite, which is in the online exclusives, I knew this was going to happen. And then I saw these little suitcase treat boxes and I just squealed. Okay, so honestly, I'm usually the onstage last minute throwing stuff in a bag midnight. So the fact that I actually have these done is frankly shocking. So I'm making a video for y'all to show you how to do it. You want to know what's inside? I will show you what's inside. Whenever I get special gifts for my team members, I buy one for myself because I'm a princess, right? So let me, there, see if that shows up. It's a clear block from Tamara Davis. She has a business called Tada. There we go. Tada Moments on Etsy, and she makes handmade personalized gifts for Stampin' Up demonstrators, and it's so cute. Everyone has a little block with their name on it and the onstage event that we're attending in Raleigh, North Carolina. So first you're going to want to grab a suitcase treat box. I can't believe there's 10 or 12 of these to a pack, but there's a fair number to a pack. And you're going to want to fold, fold, fold. I could have done this ahead of time, but I really want you to see how this box comes together. It's really not hard. You're just going to fold on all the foldy lines. And I keep the shiny side. Let's see. Nope. Backwards. There's a shiny side. Yeah, I like the shiny side to go on the inside. It's just me. These boxes are made to, you can stamp on them if you want. So that's why there's a shiny side and a not shiny side. So you could get your bone folder out and crease, 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 but I found that that really wasn't even necessary. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to tuck these flaps in and then fold these flaps over. These came together easier than I thought. I was kind of dreading it. But once I did it, I was like, oh, that was really easy. You just never know when you pull out a treat box, like, how is it going to go together? And this one, I didn't even look at any instructions. I just figured it out myself. So that's how easy it is. So you're going to stick your item in the box, okay? And then close it. So what happens is this little thing gets kind of like folded back. I don't know if that makes any sense. When it I did this 5 times without issue, and here I am on the camera having trouble. Okay, so this sort of like pulls back when you tuck these in. It just kind of makes itself, trust me. Then you have your little suitcase, okay? You could bone fold that for sure and get that nice and straight. Okay, then I'm going to use some of my designer series paper. I'm just going to bring this into the camera view for you. This is called On The Go. It's a suite of products. I used it last week to make a cute card. Oh man, I left all those cards downstairs. I'll post pictures of them for you. But lots of cute colors and tags and travel themed things. Let me flip it over. You've got some other cute things. All the goodness. All right, so I've used my punch to punch. Actually, I'm going to do it for you because I changed what colors I was using. I thought this looked like a map to the convention center. This made me smile. And then I cut a strip of the designer paper that has the little like GPS locator thing, like you are here. So that's what I chose. And then I used the Tags to Go dies. This is the stamp set that goes with that suite. And I used this Tags to Go dies to stamp this tag. And I do love Today Marks an Adventure, but I just used that on another project with my team. And so I chose this stamp also from the online exclusives from Adventure Together that says Let the Adventure Begin, because absolutely we're going to get some shenanigans going on when we travel together. So, you know, what's not to love about a girl's trip with stamps? Like, nothing's better. Nothing is better. All right, so you're going to just stick your circle straight down, and then we're going to just take our designer strip and fold it around. We're not bone folding or doing anything complex here. We're just adhering. And then I chose to take a little Stampin' Seal. Ooh, I probably shouldn't have gone that far with it because now this won't slide. But it doesn't really have to slide to get your item out. But you could just attach the belly band to itself instead of going that far so that the belly band itself can slide. You guys, so just put your adhesive right here when you do that. And then from the designer paper, I have already fussy cut this little roller bag because absolutely it's the cutest. And I love the colors. It goes with my project here. So we're going to pop that up with a dimensional. And then the other cutest thing from this suite was in that same piece of paper. I thought it was this little portfolio. It's like your little travel documents. So they're gonna go right here. And again, I just fussy cut that. It was so easy. Those straight lines, curved lines, nothing fancy to fussy cut. So don't be scared to do that. And then we're going to use our little tag. Now, this little tag has a little tab on it. And I'm sure someone will tell me what that's used for. But I just needed this part of the tag. So, and I chose Memento Black because I just wanted it to pop. The sentiment to really pop. So, yeah. We're just going to stamp this here. Voila. And pop that up with a dimensional. So these gifts actually, even though they look fancy, they came together so fast because this suite is so coordinated, okay? It makes it look like I spent so much time, but I didn't. We have Azure Afternoon, Shy Shamrock, and a new in color called Strawberry Slush, which is an old friend, but coming back apparently to our line of colors. That's one of the most exciting things about Onstage is we get to meet 5 new in colors. So that's definitely a highlight of the trip. If you love Boho Blue, Wild Wheat, Pebbled Path, Moody Mauve, and Copper Clay, you need to protect your investment and go ahead and get your refills, your cardstock, and all of your things that just so that you can use those as long as you want, because those will be going away when they're sold out. So we have a cute triple twine bow here because I couldn't choose just one color, so we're using all 3. And I think that twine ties better when it has a pair. All right, then we're just going to use these cute little embellishments. They're called On the Go Puppy stickers, and they are puppy, but they're not going to provide tons of bulk even in your cards, so don't worry about that. So I love this little GPS locator situation. Then this little arrow I thought was precious. Gonna stick that here. And then I felt like we needed a little balance, so we're gonna grab let's do a orange star here. Okay. And that is all. That is my little suitcase to go bundle and on the go suite. Now, I'm going to be, as I said, away, so I've got an ordering special for you. So when you order, and let me see the dates. This is from the 11th, which I think is today, until the 20th. Okay. And then the gifts will ship on the 24th. All right. So what you're going to get with the first $50, you're going to receive a pack of 10 gorgeous handmade cards, a mixture with envelopes, all tied and pretty for you. And you're going to get my tutorial bundle. So you're going to have all these cute spring card tutorials for you. Now, if you spend $75, you're going to get all this plus an embellishment of my choice. Okay, I have options here, but I'll choose for you. And then if you spend $100, you're going to get all the cards, the tutorial, the embellishment, and then you'll get to choose from my stash of Saleabration items. Okay, we have gobs and gobs of Saleabration items for you to choose from. So when I get back, I will start with my orders, the first to the last, and I will message everyone and ask you what would you like for your free Saleabration item, and I'll send you a photo of what I've got. All right, so make sure and take advantage of my while I'm away special. The last thing I want to tell you is that I have my third in a series of birthday card classes, and man, I made these last night, and I thought they were cute, but I was so tired I didn't realize how cute they are. They're so cute. We're gonna make these adorable cards. I've one more to design, so there will be 8 cards plus designer paper, embellishments, ribbon in that class. So be watching for that. I will put the sign up for that class in the this YouTube information, and as well I will put the information on the Facebook post once I post this video. All right guys, definitely stay tuned to my Paper Made Prettier page, because you'll get to see some fun photos and shenanigans from our time in Raleigh, and we'll see you next week. Bye.